So let me move to the next, which is we call skill-based training, because I think a lot of you probably focus on vocational education and skill education, and definitely now that we have seen that AI can strengthen the LMS. It's an important thing that we look into the next feature. So skill-based training has become essential, not because of the way we used to be educated, but just also because the speed, just because the way we have to achieve our goals on a very shorter period of time, and definitely we want to make sure that we apply what we know in a real world situation, right? So if you look at the job market, okay, degrees everywhere, rewards everywhere, right? Now, what is it rewarding? Is it rewarding education or is it rewarding competencies? I mean, that's exactly the most important question to ask, right? What are employers expecting? Are they expecting you to know what you learn, or you can come and show what you can do, right? So that's basically where the skill-based training comes in, because they're more focused on digital skills, communication skills, problem solving skills, analytical skills, and so on. I mean, there's no end to that. And we have to make sure that the modern LMS platform should shift from content delivery to skill development. I mean, that's exactly what LMS should be looking at or targeting it. Now, why skill based training matters? I mean, that's basically the first important point, that why does it matter? So I think it matters, as we say, because the competency models are changing. Okay, practical assignments are becoming a core of any education system now, right? Because the degree is not enough. Organization want to prove that you can do something, not that you just know something, right? So that's already